Hello and welcome to this short grammar presentation which will focus on the present simple tense. How to use the present simple tense, when to use the present simple tense, and the grammatical rules for using the present simple tense correctly. So, let's get started. When and why do we use the present simple tense? Well, we use the present simple tense to talk about things that don't change. Permanent states, facts, general truths. We also use it to talk about habits and routines. So for example, I live in London. The Earth orbits the Sun. Okay, these are facts, they're true, they're things that are not changing. Habits and routines. I play football every Tuesday. I wake up at 8 o'clock. Habits and routines, so we use the present simple tense. I live in London. I play football on Tuesdays. So what are the grammatical rules for using the present simple tense? Well, let's start with the verb play. So when we use the pronouns I, you, we, they, we simply say play. And when we have a plural subject, like Peter and Jane, two people, or the boys, many boys, we also use the verb play. However, he, she, it plays. We add an S to the verb. Peter, who is one boy, the boy, singular subject again, we also add an S. So when it's a singular subject, we add an S to the verb with the present simple tense. The final one there, you can see the water. Water is an uncountable noun. So with uncountable nouns, we also add an S to the verb. Okay, so we see an example there with play and plays. Another very commonly used verb, have. So have and has, let's see how that works. As you can see, it follows exactly the same rules. I have, you have, we have, they have. Okay, and then when we have a plural subject, Peter and Jane, the boys, we use have. With the singular subject, he, she, it, we have the S, has. Peter has, the boy has. And water, so when it is a uncountable noun, we also have the S, has. Okay, when we're asking questions or giving negatives, I, you, we, they follow the same rules. Do I work, do you work, do we work? The negative uses don't, follows the same rules. However, he, she, it, and singular subjects, we have the S. So he works. When it's a question, does he work? And the negative, he doesn't work. Okay, so when we have questions or negative statements in the present simple, with he, she, it, or other singular subjects, then we must have the S. So does or doesn't. Okay, with short answers, we can see exactly the same. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Does he? No, he doesn't. Do they? Yes, they do. Does Penny? Penny is a girl. No, she doesn't. Okay, and then we have two people. Do Paul and Jim? So they're plural. Yes, they do. And then singular, the final one. Does Liam watch TV at night? Yes, no, he doesn't. Okay, so again, with the singular pronouns, or singular subjects, we have the S, so we use does or doesn't. Key words for the present simple. So we refer to routine a lot. So every week, every month, every Monday, on Tuesday, on Saturdays, in the morning, in the afternoon, and at special occasions, so at Christmas, at Easter, at New Year. Adverbs of frequency are also used with the present simple tense. I always take a shower in the morning. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. I often have orange juice with my breakfast. I sometimes read a book in the morning. I seldom go jogging in the afternoon. And I never forget my homework. Okay, so when we're using adverbs of frequency, we're talking about routines, we will often use the present simple tense. Here are some rules about spelling. So when we add the S for the singular subjects, he, she, it, these are the rules you need to remember. Okay, so sometimes we add just the S. Most of the words we add just S. Sometimes we add an ES, and sometimes we remove the Y and we add IES. Important spelling rules there to remember. Okay, let's see if we've got it. I've got a few questions for you. 10 questions to be exact. A challenge for you, so it's your turn. If you can write down number 1 to 10 on a piece of paper, and then we can see if you can answer these questions correctly. So here are the first 5 questions. You need to choose whether to answer it with eat or eats. Don't or doesn't, take, takes, do or does, go or goes. Okay, I'm going to move to the next 5 questions. So if you're not ready, just hit pause for a minute. Here are questions 6 to 10. Play or plays, do or does, read or reads, dance or dances, bake or bakes. So if you're not sure, refer to the rules earlier in the video. Okay, if you're not finished yet, again, you can just press pause. I'm going to move to the next slide. So the answers to those questions, well, for the answers, please look in the comments below this video, and you'll see the answers to those 10 questions. I do hope this video has helped you understand the fundamentals of the present simple tense. Very, very important tense, so it's essential that you understand it and use it correctly. I do hope you've enjoyed the video. If it's been useful, please do click like. Feel free to leave a comment and subscribe, and you're also willing to share as well, if you like. Thank you for watching.